Akunja. Stevie. Shadi. Allez. Stevie. Shadi.
Mr. Dog, hey, today you are nice. Who about you? Patricia, is your mother in the house? She's there. Lover boy.
Hey, young Pepe.
What is his name? Okay. Pepero.
Yeah.
He doesn't give mommy. Pepe. Is it Pepero? Remove it. Remove it. Okay, let's start. Let's start. You do it well. Okay. When you turn to you see that I'm working, or you smarter, you turn it. Do it well. Okay, keep quiet. The system is working 24/7. As you know, in French, we call them les adjectifs français or les adjectifs. You have the qualified one. Les adjectifs qualitative, the one that is qualify someone, like the girl is beautiful. She's beautiful. So beautiful is what? Adjective. La fille est belle. Okay? Le garçon est beau. The boy is nice. La fille est belle. She's nice or beautiful. Okay? So the masculine one is the beau. So you keep quiet and listen to me. Now, let's adjective or say it. Now, this one is the English one. Full. Say it. Full. Plein. Plein. So when they say plein, it means what? The thing is full. Sit down. We are learning. When you finish, sit down. Hurry up. I will not sit again.
I want medicine.
Plein, it means full.
Medicine.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Plein too, it means full. Now, what is the difference between the two of them? Stop talking. What is the difference between the first one and the second one? Plein and plein. The two means full.
The first one, plein, is used for masculine. And the plein,
Regina, we are learning. Sit down. It is correct. Okay? Give me example. Example, make a sentence using the English one, full.
Le femme.
No, I
English.
said
The girl is beautiful.
no. We are using full.
The grammar is full of. The water is full of.
The girl is full of.
The water is full of.
Who can make a sentence for me?
The gallon is full of water. The cup is full of milk.
Yes. The cup is full of egg. Okay. Now another sentence.
The basket is full of vegetables.
Yes. Now. Basket. Okay. The basket. Maybe I want to say the classroom is full. Okay, of students. Classroom in French is a feminine noun. You say la classe. Classroom is called la classe or la salle de classe. Now, they say what? La classe. Now, you want to say the class is full. So, la classe est pleine. You will not say la classe est pleine. No. Because you say la classe. Feminine noun. So, pleine. Are you getting me? Now, Let's come here. Léger, it means what? Léger, say it.
Léger.
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 Légère.
Léger.
Okay? This one, maybe it's not heavy. No, wait. So I say, oh, c'est léger. It means what? Huh?
It is not heavy.
Léger.
Say you are breathing.
Stephen is wrong. Listen to me. What is the opposite of heavy? Okay. So heavy it means the cheese is heavy. So light it means it's not heavy. Now, so here you have to put what?
Heavy.
No,
Yeah, wow.
light. Okay. Now, maybe I have a bag, school bag. Le sac est léger. Okay. It means what? The bag is not heavy. You know that if I'm feeling I don't like that, you should write. It's not heavy. Okay? You write léger. But assuming that it's not le sac, it's another name, feminine now that you are going to use, you will say légère. Let's come here. Lourd. Lourd, it means heavy. Are you getting me? Lourd, it means what? Lourd, it means heavy. Lourd, it means heavy. Now, lourde is also heavy. Now, the difference between the two is what?
One is
Maybe I want to say, la chaise est lourde. The chair is heavy. I use lourde because I say la chaise is feminine. Now, coffee est lourd. It means coffee is heavy. Ama est, you use the feminine one, which is this one. Lent. What is the meaning of lent? It means slow. But what this one is adjective. Slow is an adverb. But is an adjective. But slowly it becomes adverb. Okay? So the adverb here in French will be what? Lentement. Afi marche lentement. Afi is walking slowly. That is the adverb. But here is adjective. Okay? It's slow. Okay? Now, il est lent. You see some people they are very slow. So, il est lent. He's slow. Elle est lente. Mistake. Il est lent. Elle est lente. Can't you see? Yes. Il est lent. Elle est lente. If you write lentement, it's adverb. She's slow. See some people if they are writing a slow. Chaud. Le repas est chaud. The food is heavy. It's hot. Okay? Chaud. Hot. Chaud. It means what? Hot. But if you want to say maybe the soup is hot. La soup est chaude. But le repas, which is the food, you say the soup. Are you getting me?
yes, sir.
Your attention should be here. But soup, it's not all the time that you tell it. Say you are Premier, say it. No, premier. Première. Kojo est le premier de la classe. It means Kojo is the first in the class. Ama est la première de la classe. Ama is this first in the class. Premier, it means first. Premier, it means first. But when you want to mention a masculine noun, you say premier. You want to mention a feminine noun, you say what? Première. Okay? Premier, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, neuvième, dixième, onzième, douzième, treizième, quatorzième, quinzième, seizième, dix-septième, dix-huitième, dix-neuvième, vingtième. 21e, 22e, 23e, 24e, 25e, 26e, 27e, 28e, 29e, 30e.
Yes.
It means what? First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
7, 8, 9.
Okay? That is the same in French. Look here. Now, we continue. Second, say it. Second. Seconde. Okay? The next. Maybe I want to cane you. I say, make a line. I beat your buttocks. I say, le second. It means the next person. Le second. I say, le. C'est second. But if it's a feminine, I'll say, okay, la seconde fille. The next girl. Le second garçon. The next boy. You see that all means the same. But you must know, d'ici they ask you plenty, you say they say petit, it means small, petite, small, grand, big or fat, grande, tout. You have to know that no, when they say this is the masculine one, this is the feminine one. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Now, prochain, say it.
Prochain.
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 It means
Next.
le jour prochain, je vais te donner de l'argent. The next day, I'll give you money. La semaine prochaine, viens me voir. The next week, come and see me. I use last semaine, so automatically, you must go for the feminine one. Semaine is the feminine, but le jour is masculine. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Avant dernier. What is the minute?
Before last.
They do exam feeling. You are the first second. They say only 10 people pass.
Ninth person.
Let me see, I'm on you.
Like 5 minutes.
Okay.
And he let only 2 people to call. Avant dernier, it means, are you getting me?
Yes.
Avant le dernier, you are the last. Before you, they will mention another person. Okay, avant dernier, maybe you are a boy. Avant dernier, a girl. Okay, différent. Il est différent des autres de la classe. He is different from the others in the class. Elle est différente des autres. Her attitude is different from the others. Elle est différente. Il est différent. Anytime that you use verb to be, which is est, you must, we call it accord. Okay, accord. Okay, meilleur. Il est le meilleur de la classe. He's the best in the class. Elle est la meilleure. She's the best. Particulier. Okay. Ton cas est particulier. Okay. Your case is particular. Okay. This is the feminine. This is the masculine. Nouveau, nouvelle. C'est un nouveau élève. Or c'est un nouveau. Okay. But because there's 2 vowels, you say nouvelle élève. C'est un nouveau venu. It's a newcomer. C'est une nouvelle dans la classe. She's a new in the class. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Nouveau is used for masculine singular. Nouvelle is used for feminine singular. Now, neuf. J'ai acheté un habit neuf. I bought a brand new dress. Okay, I say un habit. It means a dress, masculine. Elle a une nouvelle. Where we are here. Elle a une robe neuve. It means she's having a new robe, straight dress. Okay, you use this one. Tu es vieux, you are old man. Tu es vieille, you are old lady. Okay? Oh, ouais, au penny. Ouais, abrewa. Okay? Beau, belle. Ce garçon est beau. This boy is nice. Cette fille est belle. This girl, she is beautiful. So, beau, it means handsome. Belle, it's the beautiful. So, the feminine of beau is belle. Il est beau, elle est belle. You never say elle est beau. No. You say il est beau, elle est belle. Okay, she's beautiful, he's handsome. Fort, je suis fort, I am strong. Elle est forte, she is strong.
Yeah.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
Let me eat this one.
Sir, you is for that.
Open say Odiana. Okay, Yanko. Yeah. This one, mignon, it means nice. Nice boy. Oh, c'est un mignon garçon. He's a nice boy. Elle est mignonne. Le chat est mignon. The cat is. It's nice. Gentil. Hey, listen to me. They used to ask this one. Gentil. Il est gentil. What is the meaning? Elle est gentille.
She is kind.
L. You double the L and put E. But for the boy, it's only one L. Hey, toi, tu es con. Tu es con. It means what?
You are a fool.
Hey, food. Tu es fou, say it. It means what? Bodam.
You are a fool.
You are mad. Elle est folle. She's mad. Je suis heureux, say it. Je suis heureux. You know, is a je. Je suis heureux. Just, I am happy.
I am happy.
Je suis heureuse, say it.
She is happy. I am happy.
Yes, je is a je. I, so je suis heureuse, I am happy. Okay? Now let's come here. Il est excité. It means he is excited. You see, sometimes you see the things, you be very excited. If the person is a woman, elle est excitée. Elle est excitée. She's excited. Content, content. Je suis content. I am happy. Elle est contente. She's happy. Are you getting me? Are you?
Yes.
Il est mort. Say it.
Il est mort.
It means he's dead. Elle est morte.
She is dead.
Okay. Public. Public. Okay. L'école publique. You will say this one. L'école because it's a feminine. But if you want to mention a masculine name, okay, c'est un nom public. It's a public figure. Important. Say it. Again.
So why did you show something camera?
Okay. Dans important, it means important. Il est important dans la classe. He is very important in the class. Elle est importante dans la classe. She is very yes, necessary. C'est dangereux. Dangereux.
Dangereux.
Ce garçon est dangereux.
The boy is dangerous.
No, I thought you the demonstration adjective. Ce garçon est dangereux. Is it not là en le? They say ce garçon. So it's what the meaning of ce. Yes, ce garçon. This boy is dangerous. It's how you are going to translate. They say so you cannot say they. No, so is not they. It means this.
This boy is dangerous.
If you hear sex, it means this by a feminine. Sex, it means this. Ce garçon est dangereux. This boy is dangerous. Cette fille est dangereuse. This girl is dangerous. So if you speak the Brofo French like that, you know that you know good. Okay, you say cette fille est dangereuse. That's the correct one. Ce garçon est dangereux. You know that you know your adjective. Are you getting me? Now, ennuyeux. Say it.
Ennuyeux.
Il est ennuyeux. It means he's boring. Elle est ennuyeux. He's boring. Okay. Noir. Say it. Noir. Le tableau noir.
Le tableau
Sur the blackboard. Okay. Cette voiture est noire. Say it.
Cette voiture est
It means this car is black. Are you getting me? So this is the masculine now. This is the feminine now. Vert. Verte. J'ai un habit vert. It means I have a green dress. Okay. J'ai une robe. J'ai une jupe verte. Say it. Say it. Vous trouvez? J'ai une jupe. Jupe is a skirt. Jupe vert means what? Green skirt. Okay. Now, violet. Violette. Let's go. Violet.
Violet.
Violet. What is the marker? Yes.
Right side.
Sucré. Say it. Sucré. If I say something you are not saying it, I'll come and tell you. Sucré. Put the thing down. Sucré.
Sucré.
It means it is sweet. Okay.
Frenchman. White.
Blanc. Say it.
Blanc.
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 Le tableau est blanc.
Le tableau est
It
blanc.
means the board is white. Okay. The board is white. Color white in French is a blanc. Okay. Donne-moi une feuille blanche. Give me a white paper. Okay. Notre maison est de couleur blanche. Our house is painted white. Okay.
Yes.
Now, c'est français.
Français.
Mon père est français.
Mon père est français.
It means my father is a Frenchman. But ma mère est française. Say it.
My mother is a Frenchman.
Your mother is a Frenchman.
Frenchman.
Jimmy or Bodam.
My mother is a Frenchman.
If your father is a Frenchman, your mother is a
You.
Frenchman.
Hey. Allah. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Hey, Kiko. Christian. Yo, I see you. Yo, Charlie. Laugh. Yo.
Come to school.
My mother is a Frenchman. On connaît ça. On connaît
So the Frenchman is a Français, okay? Il est français, he is a Frenchman. Elle est française. Stop talking. Stop talking. Elle est française, say it.
Elle est française.
So she is a French woman. I say stop talking. Pass. Anglais.
Anglais.
British in French language is called anglais. Je suis anglais, say it.
Je suis anglais.
It means I am British. But if you are a girl, it's je suis anglaise.
Je suis anglaise.
Ouais, je suis anglais, je suis anglaise. I am British. Okay? Chinois. Chinois.
Chinois.
Mon ami est chinois.
Mon ami est
chinois.
My friend is a Chinese. But assuming that she's a the person is a woman, you say mon ami est chinoise. Say it.
Mon ami est chinois.
Elle est chinoise.
Elle est chinoise.
Assuming that there are two boys, you will say what? Ils sont chinois. If there are two girls, elles sont chinoises. The same thing will be applied for all. Assuming that we are here, he is a Japanese. Il est japonais. Il est japonais, say it.
Il est japonais.
Elle est japonaise.
Elle est japonaise.
If you talk, it's okay, you are disturbing the class. Il est japonais.
Il est japonais.
Elle est japonaise.
Elle est japonaise.
Ils sont japonais.
Ils sont japonais.
Elles sont japonaises.
Elles sont japonaises.
We are here, Togolese.
Togolese.
So I am a Togolese. In French, je suis Togolais. Say it.
Je suis togolais.
It means I am a Togolese. If you are a man, you say je suis Togolais. But if you are a woman, you not say je suis Togolais. You add it. Je suis Togolaise. Say it.
Je suis togolaise.
Ma mère est Togolaise.
Ma mère est togolaise.
Mon père est Togolais.
Mon père est togolaise.
Ils sont Togolais.
Elles sont togolaises.
Elles sont Togolaises.
Elles sont togolaises.
Now, assuming that you are Ghanaian, in French country, you say je suis Ghanaian. Say it.
Je suis ghanéen.
It means I am a Ghanaman or Ghanaian. Okay? Je suis Ghanéen.
Je suis Ghanéen.
That's how we write it. Elle est Ghanéenne.
Elle est
If you are a
Ghanéen.
girl, you will not say je suis Ghanéen. You will say je suis Ghanéenne. Say it.
Je suis ghanéen.
Now, if you are two boys, okay, you say what? Nous sommes Ghanéens. But you have to add S here. But if you are a girl, you add S. Nous sommes Ghanéennes. Okay, the last one. American. In French language, it's called Américain.
Américain.
Again.
Américain.
Je suis Américain.
Je suis américain.
It means I am American. If you are a lady, what are you going to say? Je suis américaine. Say it.
Américain.
In Spanish, American is called americano.
Americano.
Americana. Yeah, boy, you say soy americano, which means I am American. But if you are a lady, soy americana. Americana. Okay? But if you are Togolese, you say Togolesa. Okay? Okay. Now, what you are going to do is we read it fast in 1 minute and we close. Let's start. Play.
Thank you.
Play. Play. Plein. Léger. Légère. Lourd. Lourde. Lent. Lente. Chaud. Chaude. Froide. Premier. Première. Seconde. Prochaine. Avant-dernière. Différente. Meilleur. Particulière. Nouveau. Nouvelle. Neuf. Vieux. Vieille. Beau. Belle. Forte. Mignonne. Gentil. Con. Fou. Folle. Heureux. Heureuse. Excité. Content. Contente. Mort. Morte. Public. Non public. C'est bleu. Blajo. Ablakwa. Ablavi. Ablekuma. Public.
Hey, clap.
Important. Importante. C'est le salaire qui
My mother is.
Mais c'est ta mère, les Français.
My mother
Yes.
is a Frenchman.
Hey. Hey, speak English. Hey, hey, speak English now.
My mother is a Frenchman.
Oh, Timo. Yo, Fred, yo. I'm about Hey, Fred. Hey, Abdoloto. Hey, Big Mama. Yo, Raskin. Hey, Sito Tabasco. Allah. Young Pepper. It's a pepper now. You see, you are fighting with your teacher. You see.
And the
English is not correct, po.
Okay, let's continue. We are here. Where are we?
Okay, let's bring it on Wednesday.
I think we are here.
No, friend.
Okay. Important. Importante. Dangereux. Dangereuse. Ennuyeux. Noir. Vert. Violette. Sucré. It's not sou, it's a su because you in French sui. So S plus U to be su. So sucré, say sucré. Yeah. Blanche. Française. Anglaise. Chinoise. Japonaise. Togolaise. Ghanéenne. Américaine. Stand up.
Mama.
Do like this. Everybody.
My mother is a Frenchman.
Allez, repos. Garde-vous. Armes. Chargez. Feu.
Hey. It's okay.
Bring. Let me